Hey man, say man, and you guys, my grandma, she go to this place where they get her free boxes and they be getting her food. So she don't eat these, whatever these call. So she told me to come outside and feed them to the birds. So yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna put y'all somewhere, hopefully so I'm getting on my phone. Y'all probably can't see because it's so light outside. So that's what we finna do, you guys. So we're gonna open the bag. I wish I had somewhere to put my camera. I really wish. I'm gonna put it over here on this van, and I'm gonna see what's gonna happen, if it's gonna fall. I think you would be good over here, you guys. Probably can't see anything, but you have me from putting my phone in the grass. So, yeah. I just show you guys when I get done. So I got them open, as you guys see, and I would just pour them so the birds can come eat them. They're so small. They gonna tear this food up, y'all. I'm gonna put it like for the country that too, so they can be able to come and get a little bit. They gonna have something good to eat. I made them put some all the way down up here. Hopefully a car don't run over them. They'll be messed up a little. Alright y'all, so now that I got them, I don't know if you want to put a whole bag, but I can say. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna ask my grandma to do that. She told me to pour the whole bag. Y'all, this steak too. It smells like, I don't know, but it's steak. Alright, now I'm just making my way all the way down. Y'all can stay right there. So y'all, I have this much left.